How to use Ggives in Airasia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Ggives in Airasia. First, open the Airasia Move app on your mobile app. Scroll down and select any flight. Enter the departure and destination locations. Then, enter the departure and return dates. If you have a promo code, you can add it here. Check the necessary boxes and tap on Search. You will see a list of available flights. Select the flight that suits you. Next, choose your hotel if needed. Review the details of your order. Tap on Continue to Pay. Select Ggives as your payment method. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.